Hey girl, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a little wig review slash first impressions unboxing kind of video. So it's on this hair here. This is from Uniwigs. It's their wig called Gabrielle. So I'll give you all the details in this video. So if you're in the market for a platinum blonde wig, or you're just curious to know more about this hair, then this video is for you. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So this is the box that it came in. I think this is my favorite box that they've done, Uniwigs. I feel like they always change their packaging, and this is my favorite one so far. It's a really nice box with a little magnetic closure. So let's go ahead and open it up. It has a little tissue paper. And then here is the wig. So I already opened this, but the wig did come wrapped up and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to take this out and we'll look at that in just a second. And I just want to show you what else is in the box. So it does come with some other goodies. So they do give you a wig cap. Look at this girl. I feel like that looks like her hand and she's like... And then they do have a little booklet which gives you some care instructions on how to take care of your wig, which is really nice. And then they had this little guy here. So this has, let me just put this box over here. So this little baggie comes with an elastic band and some combs and some clips. Now you don't necessarily need this, so I'm going to show you the inside of the wig now. Alright, so this is the wig inside out. So it does come with two combs in the front, and it has little clips on the sides as well, kind of like right here, and a comb in the bottom and the adjustable little straps here. So it does come with the elastic band, so if you do want to sew this on your wig, you can do that, and some extra combs and clips if you feel like you want to add them anywhere else. So, or if like one of these falls off and you lose it or something, you can always like adjust it as you want. And as you might be able to see, it is a full lace wig, and this is like a little stretch cap, and it is so stretchy. Like when I put my hand in here, it was like, like it's so stretchy. But I'm sure this would be like really comfortable. But this is a full lace wig, and this is what she looks like. So she is a full platinum blonde wig, and she's very, very long. She's 24 inches. So this is what she looks like. And I don't know if you remember, but I did another video with Uniwigs for their Chloe wig, which was also a platinum blonde. I did dye it blue, but this is their Chloe wig, so it's very similar. Obviously, it's blue, but it did come blonde, the same kind of blonde as the Gabrielle. And I'm pretty sure I got this one in 24 inches as well, but I did cut it. So I'll kind of give you a little side-by-side comparison because they are, I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the video, but they are very similar. I do think Gabrielle has a little bit of a higher density and a longer length, but... So yeah, the Gabrielle is a lot longer, but I do think I trimmed the Chloe when I did get her. So if you want to see that video on the Chloe, I'll link it down below as well. And just to show you the inside comparison, so Chloe is a full lace wig. She does have the stretch cap, but her stretch cap is not nearly as stretchy as the Gabrielle. And you can tell the cap construction of the Gabrielle is a little bit more higher quality. Just ignore the dye stains. But if you watch this video, you'll know that I sewed on the clips and everything myself. It didn't come sewn on. So I don't know if they all do that for the Chloe or if that was just like the one I got. But yeah, I kind of had to like sew all these things on myself, whereas the Gabrielle comes with everything on it. And the Gabrielle does run a little bit more than the Chloe. I'll leave the links for everything down below. And I do have a coupon code you guys can use as well if you want to get a wig from Uniwigs. But as far as the hair quality goes, the hair quality is pretty nice. You can see by the way it moves, and even the color as well. It didn't come in like that yellow color that a lot of 613s come in. This is actually a pretty nice platinum blonde. I am still going to wash it with like a little bit of purple shampoo just because I want it to be a little bit more icy. But you could totally wear it like this. I feel like this is still a really nice blonde. I should probably put it on for you guys and show you what it looks like on. Alright, so I got this in a medium cap size and it fits very snug. I didn't even like tighten the elastic bands in the back. I just put it on as normal and it fits very well. I'll just have to cut a little bit around the ear tabs, but that's fine. I'm actually really happy to have another platinum blonde wig because I mean I had the Chloe and then I dyed it blue, so I don't have a platinum blonde wig right now, and I feel like that's what's missing from my collection. I'll stand up and show you how long it is. It literally goes, oh my gosh, it goes to like the top of my pants. You can see the thickness. And I'll show you what the hairline looks like. So I hope you can see it, but it does follow like that curvature of your hairline. So it kind of like dips in here and kind of goes like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash the wig with some purple shampoo, just to kind of get it a little bit more icy and ashy. I'm gonna cut the lace and maybe pluck the hairline just a little bit, we'll see, and style the hair, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, we're back with a more festive background for the season. So, okay, I did wash the wig in some blue shampoo. So I used the Finola No Orange shampoo because apparently that one is supposed to leave your hair a little bit, like for blondes at least, it's going to leave your hair a little bit more white and platinum versus using the purple shampoo is going to leave your hair a little bit more ashy and a little bit more gray toned. So I did the blue and I did like the watercolor method. So I put a little bit in some warm water and then I dipped the wig and the hair into the water and kind of let it sit there for a bit. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can necessarily tell a difference on camera, but I can tell a difference in real life. It does look a little bit more whiter. And on the ends, you can see they are a little bit more ashy. So I'm really happy with how the color is looking right now. And I also cut a little bit of some layers into it, not too much, but just like, it's kind of like some face framing layers and just thinned it out just a little bit. So I'll stand up and show you what this looks like. And I also trimmed the ends just a little bit as well, just to give it more of like a blunt cut, just to make them look thicker at the ends. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm really happy with the hair as well. I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair as well so I can show you what it looks like curled and styled. So I'll be right back. So this is what the hair looks like with some loose waves, which you saw in the intro to this video. Let me know which one you prefer, the waves or the straight hair. I'm kind of digging the waves. I feel like it's a little bit more glamorous. You know what I mean? So give this video a like if you made it this far, and if you want to see details for the hair, everything will be in the description box below, so links, codes, all that good stuff. So check down there, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!